Hello everybody, John here. Just wanted to share a few things about the Khan Academy new math courses that they're rolling out. Missions are going to go away in June of 2020, so if you're doing the mission, try to finish it up by the end of this term, spring term, and otherwise you'll have to switch to this new method. Okay, so the new method is this is the pre-algebra course. On the left we have an index of all of the things that are involved in pre-algebra, all these purple lines, and this is my progress. So arithmetic, these arithmetic properties, I'm not quite halfway. Factors and multiples, I'm over halfway. Got about halfway through all of these. I completed all of these in the mission style math in the pre-algebra mission, but I haven't completed them in the new system. So if you're working on the missions, please try to complete before they go away. When you're working in this system, you can pick any of these units here to work in. Just click on one. What I like to do is, no matter what level I'm at, I come down and start with the course challenge. It gives me 30 questions, and I can go through, take the short course challenge, and just see how I do. Takes 30 to 45 minutes, and it will keep track of what I can do and what I can't do. So it can change my status to proficient or competent. So you can earn points and make progress that way. If that seems like too much to do all at once, you can work in these separate sections. Arithmetic properties is here. This is what you're going to learn in this section. You've got a total of 1900 mastery points. If you click on this section, at the bottom, there will be unit tests and quizzes that you can take. Here's a quiz over the first unit, or the first section, and there's another quiz down here. And this guy with the crown, this is where you're heading for mastery. He's got the crown. That would be the unit test. So this would be a little bit bigger. Usually these quizzes are 4 or 5 questions. This one's 12. And then the unit test is generally longer. Click here. And just working on this one unit. This unit has 18 questions. So they get longer and a little more in depth, but this is a good way to make progress. And each week you want to earn 10% of your total. So when I look at pre-algebra as a whole, I'm 59% along, so this would be good in weeks 5 or 6. If I want to move faster, this would be, good for any level. But you are free to choose where you work and what you study, and just go as fast as you can. When you have questions, come to our online support sessions. If you ever see a mastery challenge here, start with that, because you can earn extra points and mastery of your skills. And this is just 5 or 6 questions. Okay, that's just a little overview of what the different ways to use Khan efficiently with their new system. That's all from me. If you have questions, email or contact me in the support class Zoom room.